Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to get a password of a device which you have connected. So as you can see, my Wi-Fi is turned on here and I have connected a device, another my cell phone, a Realme 9 Pro Plus, and I want to get the password of this device. So I'll show you the step-by-step procedure. So first of all, open your setting and then choose a Wi-Fi option and then choose a Realme 9 Pro Plus, the device which you have connected. So just click on I button and then click on Wi-Fi QR code and then enter your password. So as you can see, it is showing Wi-Fi QR code. You need to take a screenshot of it. Just take a screenshot and save to your gallery. So as you can see, I have taken a screenshot here. So just click on save. Now in the next step, you need to open your Play Store and search for QR code scanner. So as you can see here, so many QR code scanner app are here, so you need to install one of it. I have installed in my phone already. So friends, my QR code scanner app is installed in my phone, so just open it and this is the interface of the QR code scanner. Now you need to click on gallery option to upload your screenshot, then choose photos option. Now you need to choose a screenshot which you have taken earlier. So friends, as you can see, it is showing my device name Realme 9 Pro Plus, which is connected by hotspot to this device, and as you can see, it is showing a password of it. So it was a procedure to find out a password of a device which you have connected. So I hope you like this video. Then do subscribe to the channel and watch more videos of my channel.